Due to COVID, a lot of things have changed. So let's talk about doing a windshield repair during and post-COVID. First is the customer interaction. Since we're social distancing, it's best to keep a distance of 6 feet when interacting with the customer in person, or see if the customer's interested in a contactless windshield repair experience. I'm about to call a customer now and see which experience she would like to have.
Hello?
Hey, may I speak with Monica?
This is Sheen.
Hey, Monica, it's Corey, your windshield repair technician.
Oh, hi. How are you doing?
Pretty good. Hey, I was calling to let you know I'm about 15 minutes out to come repair your windshield. And I wanted to let you know that we're actually practicing social distancing. So if we meet in person, I have to keep a distance of 6 feet away. Or we actually have this contactless experience where I can show up and not actually interact with you, but interact via phone versus in person. So I wanted to check in to see which experience would you prefer?
I prefer the contactless, please.
All right, cool. So here's how the process is gonna work. Once I get to your location, I'm gonna actually inspect the damage to make sure it's repairable. And once I do inspect the windshield, I'll give you a call and explain the next steps in regards to how the windshield repair process will work.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, cool. Talk to you soon.
Okay, bye.
All right, bye.
Hello?
Hey, Monica, it's Corey, the technician.
Hey.
Hey, so I got good news for you. I've inspected your windshield and it's actually repairable.
Okay.
So with the windshield repair, we will stop the damage from spreading. We'll restore the structural integrity of the glass, improve the optical clarity, and save you time and money.
Sounds awesome.
Cool. So it's going to take me about 15 to 20 minutes to actually do the repair, and it'll be $100 for the windshield repair. And before I get started, I wanted to explain our terms and conditions to you.
Okay.
All right, cool. So due to the unstable properties of damaged glass, there's a possibility the damage could crack out. This happens less than 0.1% of the time. In the unlikely event that it does crack out or it's not repaired to your satisfaction, our liability is only limited to a refund of $100 for the service that's being charged to you today.
Okay.
Cool. So you understand and agree to those terms?
Yes, I do. Thank you so much.
Oh, cool. Well, no worries. Well, I'm finna knock this repair out, and then I'll call you once I'm actually finished with the repair.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.